Markets are under pressure. I believe the tops are in.
Uh-oh.
What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, February the 17th. The markets are a little bit lower this morning after the holiday weekend. Again, we're not telling you to sell them today. We're not telling you to sell them right now, but it does appear based on the action that the tops of the markets happen to be in, which means we'll be looking to sell rallies. Certainly, I'd be willing to sell the S&P at 68.80 or 69.03. But again, that doesn't mean it'll get there today. It doesn't mean that you're going to run in and sell it. It does not mean that you can't buy because there are levels to buy as well. Remember, no matter which way the market goes, there's going to be opportunity. And trying to make long-range projections is basically a fool's errand. You have to watch the action and look at the chart that you're looking at, because depending on what time frame you're trading, something could be different than the longer time frame. We did get some information on the Shiller case ratio, and of course, they're also telling us now the markets are overvalued by a significant amount, showing a number of 40 with the mean being at 18. So we've got the M2 money supply versus the Dow at 306%, and we've got the Case Shiller now telling us that the markets are well overvalued. And again, I do agree. But at the end of the day, like I said, it doesn't really matter. We have to have a reason to make a buy or a sell. So take a look at the markets. We've got Empire State coming out this morning. In the meantime, the markets are lower across the board. Nothing dramatic, but lower, and continuing to potentially break through that bottom edge of support. The dollar is higher, which we're along from 96. The euro currency is lower. We're short. Notes and bonds are both higher again, which is another warning sign. We'd be looking to sell the notes at 114, the bonds at 119. Bitcoin is slightly lower. Looks like it's got a chance to run down to 60,000. Again, we have no position right now, but certainly would like to be a buyer down around 60. Gold is getting hammered a little bit this morning, down about $100. Silver's down about $4. Platinum is lower. We'll be looking to buy somewhere down a little bit lower from here. Grains are down across the board. We are long the grains across the board, and this is just some natural selling you get from very overbought conditions. The meats, again, we're staying away from the meats right now, but they're just kind of mixed, kind of churning in the middle of nowhere. Nat gas is back down to that 310 level, which we bought. And of course, crude is up a little bit. We're still sellers at 66 like we were last week. Again, the bottom line is it's still slow, it's quiet. There's nothing to get too overly excited about. Remember our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, and of course our high school program. And until tomorrow, have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update.